3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Hamlet, or 9 miles northwest of Laurinburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail and heavy rainfall. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamlet, Wagram, Gibson, Camp Mickle, Laurel Hill and Sandy Hills Game Land. The following is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern Scotland, southeastern Richmond and southwestern Hope counties through 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Hamlet, or 8 miles southeast of Rockingham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and pea-size hail and localized flooding. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Dobbins Heights, Gibson, Laurel Hill, Sandy Hills Game Land, Camp Mickle and Bowmore. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Heavy rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina,